What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove all this oily, greasy mess that's up here on the exhaust fan. This exhaust fan hasn't been cleaned for probably 15-20 years since it was installed. So I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to clean this up. Let's do this. Alright guys, this is probably one of the most disgusting things I've ever seen, but it's a perfect opportunity to show you guys just how easy it is to clean all this mess up. Now, I really don't want to touch this, but just to show you guys how bad it is. Now that is disgusting. Really bad, really sticky. It's been here for a very long time, and as most of you probably know, when it comes to grease and oil, water seems to do nothing. That's because water and oil don't mix. So I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to clean, to get rid of this mess. Now I'm going to show you guys both if I was to try and clean it with water and vinegar, which is one of the best cleaning solutions out there. So we'll try out cleaning it with water and vinegar on one side, and then I'm going to show you how I usually clean it on the other side. So I'm just going to give it a good spray on the one side with oil and vinegar, which is one of the best cleaning solutions out there. It's very, very good, used for everything. So let's give this a wipe. It doesn't even want to slide across, and you can see there, that's the biggest problem you'll get. So everything seems to clump together and it just sticks to itself. So I'll give this another good couple wipes. So you can see there, it doesn't really do much. All it does is just spread and make a mess out of it. So what I like to use is a goo and stain remover. Now the reason why I use this, there's a few different brands out there that you can get that'll do exactly the same thing. It's basically a citrus solution. So what that means is it's a citrus inside it that'll actually break up all this grease, and that's what helps you get rid of it. So there's another good one out there, I think it was called Remove It or something like that, or I can't remember what it was, Dissolve It or Remove It. I'll put the link in the description so you guys know, or put a photo in the video so you guys know. This is the one that I use. Now you can make a homemade version of this using citrus peels, but it's not worth the effort. This one here costs probably about $4 and it'll do just fine, so it's not worth the effort in cleaning it. And I'll show you guys just how easy it is to clean this. So we'll spray the other side. And then we'll give it a wipe. So you can see how much easier it slides across. It simply prevents it all from sticking together. So it'll allow you to wipe that clean. And it gets rid of that stickiness. So if I was to spray this on my hands, for example, I can then touch it and the grease won't actually stick to my fingers. So as you can see there, the citrus is just sitting on there and it puts a protective layer in between. So I'm going to spray this whole lot off. The best thing about this is that I won't have to wash it once I'm done. Once I'm completely done in cleaning this, I won't have to wash this off at all. I can just simply wipe that off clean and it'll be ready to go. Now, as you can tell, hopefully the top is pretty much all clean. It's just what's inside the between these little grooves here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it around and clean it from the other side and try to get this stuff to all come out. Now this stuff can be used for anything, anytime you're using a range hood, anywhere where there's oil and grease around your house, or any gooey substance left from stickers and glue and things like that. So you can see how much of a mess there is on the back here. So once again, we'll just wipe that off. I guarantee you guys, this is one of the easiest ways that I've come across when it comes to cleaning all this mess off. I mean, look how easy this stuff comes off, and it doesn't stick to your fingers anymore, which is probably the worst part about using dealing with any kind of oil or grease. It's disgusting, but hey, it's work. So as I flip this around, you can see there's a whole stack of mess there. I'll just use a dirty one, wiped all this out of the way. And then I can clean off the face now. You can see under the sticker here, the buildup of grease that's behind that. I'll just get rid of this and we'll clean that off as well. Once again, give it another spray. You can see how quickly it just picks up all that oil and gets rid of it. So I'll just give it that final wipe. And there we have it, guys. Perfect. And once that's done, guys, that is the finished product, like a brand new exhaust fan now. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you guys would like to learn how to do in or around your house, put it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to show you guys how to do it. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.